Welcome to This Explainer. Want brighter, smoother skin using a traditional Korean skincare remedy made from simple ingredients at home? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're unpacking how to craft an absolutely incredible, natural brightening cream from scratch.
Look, if you've ever felt frustrated by uneven skin tones or, those stubborn dark patches on your knees, elbows, or underarms, definitely pay close attention. We're going to break down a highly effective, supernatural treatment to progressively help eliminate that pigmentation.
Okay, let's dive right into our first section and arguably the star of the show, the Korean skincare secret of rice fermentation.
The foundation of this whole remedy is high-starch white rice. You just start by soaking 3 tablespoons of white rice in 200 milliliters of water, seal it up in an airtight jar, and let it ferment for 1 to 2 days. This process helps release powerful compounds known to help reduce the appearance of dark patches and uneven skin tone.
Now you might be wondering, why does fermentation actually matter here? Well, it really comes down to melanin. That's the pigment giving color to our skin. The starch that gets released into the water during that soak actively targets and helps reduce the production of this pigment. So it's literally helping clear those dark spots right at the source.
Moving right along to preparing our base, blending, and straining.
Once your rice is fermented, you're going to take that entire jar and blend the rice mixture thoroughly. Then, strain it through a cheesecloth so absolutely no grains remain. What you get is a really smooth liquid packed with skin-loving nutrients. This keeps the final texture of the cream perfectly smooth.
Next up, it's time to mix in the magic ingredients.
Now, mix the rice liquid with cornstarch, powdered milk, and almond oil. These ingredients help deeply hydrate the skin while supporting a smoother and healthier-looking glow. Specifically, the cornstarch helps the cream actually adhere to your skin. The milk proteins strengthen your skin's barrier, and that almond oil brings in renewing vitamins E and K.
So we have our mix. Let's talk about crafting the cream and heating it up.
You want to gradually add your strained rice water to those dry powders to prevent any clumping. Then, heat the mixture gently in a pot on low heat, while stirring constantly with a wooden spoon until it becomes a rich, creamy paste. Seriously, keep stirring. It makes all the difference.
Once it's creamy, take it off the heat and let it cool slightly before putting it in a clean container. Actually, pro tip here, hold off on adding that teaspoon of almond oil until right at the end. That way, the cooking heat doesn't destroy those delicate vitamins and fatty acids.
Okay, the cream is made. Let's get into application and results. Here's how you use it. Apply the cream overnight to targeted dark areas like knees, elbows, or underarms. Massage it in really well. The next morning, just wash it off first with warm water and then a splash of cold. And remember, with natural remedies, consistency is key if you want visible improvements over time. Stick with it. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover a really important storage tip to keep things fresh.
Because we are using fresh ingredients and skipping all those harsh chemical preservatives, your homemade cream will last for exactly 7 days.
So you'll want to store your cream in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, but if you want to make a larger batch, adding extra vitamin E, about 10 drops of pure oil, can help extend the shelf life to over a month. It acts as a totally natural preservative while giving your skin a nice little antioxidant boost.
If you want more natural skincare secrets and step-by-step beauty recipes, click the link in the description right now and discover the full guide before everyone else does. And honestly, it really makes you think, if simple white rice and milk can do all of this for your skin, what other amazing youth-boosting secrets are hiding in your kitchen pantry right now?